All right, guys, look, we are back. And I'm glad I took that time to figure this out. As you see, I'm holding the most funkiest piece. Is this in focus, camera woman? This is in focus? This thing right here was kicking my butt. I had to call my brother in California. Listen, this is the old piece that came off of the car. I mean, it's simple. Once we took it off the fan, we swapped it over, correct, right? But the manufacturer leaves a gap for this. This is gonna be wrapped around your main connector, right? So once you hook it on, you hook the old one on, there's a nice gap. Well, the new piece doesn't have a gap. The new piece is this close and this close. This piece is a lot closer, and it comes with that little extension. Let's go ahead and show you. You can probably come on this side. See? So this right here had this on it. With this on it, it's too fat. But I didn't even recognize that this piece was on there. I thought it was just a part of the regular wiring harness. So I couldn't fit this on here and this. So I was shoving this on here, trying to get it on here, and I was wondering why the damn fan wouldn't work. I was wondering why the fan, sorry, I'm gonna try to speak into the mic. No, you can look, I'm gonna try to speak into the mic so that they can hear me. So I was just wondering why the fan wouldn't work. The fan wouldn't turn on. I was driving it around, couldn't figure it out. Finally, eventually, I took this piece off. This made this thin enough so both pieces can fit. I don't know if you can see that gap in there. Both pieces can fit. So this is an extension that comes here. This goes here normally. I even switched these thinking something was wrong with the fan. But that's something that always troubleshoot. Never just plug something in, say it doesn't work. I reset the negative battery cable. She can tell you, tried everything. And when it comes to fixing cars and the nutrition of your car, you've got to troubleshoot. You've got to try everything. And luckily, this was the last simple thing that I need. 99% of the chances are, 99% of the time, it's something small like this. Keep it, because it's a part of the original manufacturing car, but this probably right here, this might even sell for 30 bucks on Amazon or eBay, but this was it. This is the only reason why this fan wasn't working. So I thought there was something wrong with the fan. I was ready to look up the return number and everything. That's it, guys. This is probably the simplest thing I've ever done. I'm gonna go ahead and button up all my 10mm bolts because they're still loose and I don't want this fan jumping around. But outside of that, this swap is done. The assembly fan is done. Next, stay tuned because I got drilled and slotted rotors. Let's go. Let's show them. Well, I didn't open them yet. These right here are my drilled and slotted rotors and brake pads for that car. We're going to be doing a lot of things. Like I said, you guys are going to see me fix the damage on this car. Go ahead, show the new wheels on it. Show the new wheels on the Corolla. Show the new wheels on the Corolla. Hey! We got brand new tires. All 4 tires on this car. I got some new tires on mine. In fact, I need to swap those today to put the new tires in the back, because if you get new tires, you only get 2. Put the new tires in the back so your back end doesn't kick out. It rains a lot here in Houston. So, with that being said, that's it for today's video of changing the fan on your Kia Optima. Hopefully this video helps you out. Please stay tuned for more content. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like button 1,000 times, or have your people share it and do anything that you can like that to support Carl's Garage. I'm Carl. Also, and this is brought to you by Car Nutrition. So, with Car Nutrition, I'm about all car content. So if you got any videos that you want me to send or edit, that you want to send to me and I can edit them up and put them on the YouTube channel, please let me know. I want all content, vehicle content on Car Nutrition, because that's what it's about, keeping your car safe and healthy and running good. So, and all of this is brought to you by Straight Outta Content. Hey. So thank you guys for show one more shot of the car. Running smooth. I got to put the little piece back on, but that's it, guys. Thank you for staying tuned. Oh yeah, Donovan's Domain. All right, follow him at no, I don't think he got Instagram yet, but he will one day. But his YouTube channel is Donovan's Domain. Check out all his content. Swagged out. All right, guys. Peace.